Happy Saturday afternoon to you all. It is March 14th, 2020. In amidst all this madness, are you keeping sane in amidst all this madness going on? Toilet paper disappearing from the shelf. Toilet paper? Toilet paper? We talking about toilet paper? Man, we sitting here dealing with coronavirus and we talking about toilet paper. Toilet paper? Y'all know that's an ode to Allen Iverson. My favorite basketball player ever. But anyways, amidst all the madness going on, how are you guys keeping? Because I'm over it. Like, people acting like that's the only way to wipe your bum. If there's no toilet paper, first of all, why do you need 5 packages of 24 rolls of toilet paper? Why? And even if it runs out, you're paying $300 for a package of toilet paper? I'm not even on Everybody Has a Hustle. If you want to sell toilet paper and wipes and all those sanitizer for X amount of dollars, that's up to you. Is the idiot them that actually give you the money that I'm worried about? Like, really? Seriously? You can use tissue. Tissue and Kleenex is still around, you know. You can still get that on the shelf. They still have wipes, like baby wipes. They have feminine wipes. Men, you can use feminine wipes. I use baby wipes. I do that. I do that. I do. For myself, I do. I like to feel really clean. I do. So, I mean, that's an option. I use toilet paper along with wipes. I mean, there's paper towel. If toilet paper runs out, there's paper towel. Like, why are we not looking at alternatives? And then there is the age-old alternative. Use rag or washcloth. Wipe your bum bum. Or take a shower. Water hasn't run out. We could take a shower. Get a washcloth, wipe your bum. Clean out your body hole. How about that? How about that? Like, why are we going crazy? And then the thing is, first of all, if you're not washing your hands, I know you're not wiping your bum. So stop fronting. Stop fronting. Because you're just hoarding too much toilet paper that you're not going to really use. Unless people are doing this, which pisses me off. Unless they're going to resell the toilet paper. That's why they're buying up so many. So they're going to resell it for like $100 or $500. But guess what Amazon did to you? They put pump the brakes on y'all just today. And just said anybody who, and Kijiji did the same thing. Canadian folk. They just pump the brakes on that. You can't sell wipes. You can't sell toilet papers, hand sanitizer on there. Unless you're a legit business. So guess what? Too bad no. If you go find people, if you go buy or keep it yourself and actually use it. Because I know say you're not using it if you're not washing your hand. People are so nasty, inconsiderate, and selfish. My God. Seriously, you don't need that much toilet paper. And then the other thing is, people are buying up toilet paper instead of, okay, my mom, I grew up hearing this saying all the time. Prevent is better than cure. Prevent is better than cure. It's better to put yourself in a situation where you're preventing it. So you're keeping yourself, doing certain things to prevent to get disease. Then you have to sit there in the disease and try to find a cure. So why do I say prevent is better than cure? Build up your bloody immune system. Why are you setting up yourself to say, okay, well, we might contract this, so let me buy up all the toilet paper, whether, one of the, I don't know if somebody said the what do you call it? One of the symptoms is diarrhea. I don't know. Or they're thinking, I'm going to be in quarantine. I might be in quarantine so long. They might put us on lockdown. I have to have X amount of toilet paper. I don't know what the reasoning is. But my thing is this. How about we build up our immune system? We live in a day and age where we have Google. We have the World Wide Web, www. We can go on different websites. It's a search away. You don't have to go to the library anymore because you have the library right here on your device, on your phone, your iPad, your tablet, your laptop, and your home computer, where you can look up home remedies of immune boosters. Hey, if you go to the store and you go to where garlic is and ginger, you will see that there's hardly any there. Why? Because that is a natural immune booster. Boil up some ginger and garlic. Let me tell you, we Jamaicans, we do them something there. That's how we build up the immune. Okay? Ginger and garlic. Lemon. Squeeze lemon. After you boil it up, squeeze lemon. And honey. Sweeten it with honey. I don't use honey because I don't like honey. I use sugar and it works just the same. When I feel sickness coming on me, I drink that. 2 twos. Boom. Gone. It's not coming up on me. It takes just under a day for it to clear off of me. That ginger and garlic cuts it out quick. And I just keep taking the ginger. Grace, ginger beer is the best thing ever to continue to drink. I drink it with my apple juice. I pour it in like consistently. And that saves. There are other little things, but build up your immune. We live also in a day and age where you can go to a holistic store. They have juicing stores. You can buy immune boosters. They're little shots like this big, like maybe less than 100 mil, maybe 60 mil, and you take those immune boosters. They have ginger in them, they have garlic in them, they have turmeric in them, all kinds of stuff. You can make your own. Look online, home remedies. You can make your own hand sanitizer. Oh my God, I used to live in a day and age where I didn't use hand sanitizer. Before swine flu and SARS, I knew nothing about hand sanitizer because I washed my hands. How about that novelty? I washed my hands with soap and water. Even after SARS, I still didn't know what Purell was. I was like, what the devil neckback is that? And then I went and saw Purell's hand sanitizer. Okay, I guess. And other people were giving it to them. Just looking at it in the palm of my hand, like, what the devil is this? I just wiped my hand. Okay, and then I got used to it. Took me probably 2 years to actually buy a small bottle to keep in my purse. But I don't rely on that. I still don't feel 100% clean when I use hand sanitizer. Like, come on now. Prevent is better than cure, people. Build up your immune system so that any virus, any disease try to come on you, the common cold, the flu, hell, the flu tries to come on you, it won't come nigh. Coronavirus, it won't come nigh. Cannot cross it. It's like oil and water. It doesn't mix. Okay? That's what it's like. So just build up your immune. Stop succumbing to the defeat of these diseases. Why are we like this? We live in a day and age of information. Oh my God. The other thing is about this disease that people aren't realizing is that a lot of people are recovering. A lot of people are recovering. Majority of people are recovering. Hello. I will post a link down below of a website that you can go to that is a counter. It's counting all the people that have had it, all the people that currently have it, all the people that have died, all the people that are a majority of the cases, coronavirus cases, COVID-19, are mild cases. Okay? They're not like, I'm dead. No, it's not like that. They're mild cases. There are some severe cases, but majority of them are mild, okay? This website will tell you how many of them are mild, how many of them are serious, how many of them are in the mid. It will tell you how many people have died. It will tell you how many in each country even. It will break it down. I'm going to post a link at the bottom below this video, and you will see for yourself. Education is the key. Preventatives is the key. Natural preventatives. Build up your immune. Get antioxidants, fruits. Why am I not seeing pomegranate and blueberries sold out? Those are high in antioxidants. Come on, people. Why am I soap is still on the shelf? Bar soap, liquid soap, body wash, dishwashing soap is still on the shelf, but paper, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer, you can't find that. You can't get that. Hand sanitizer is not a substitute for soap, people. It's not. It's just not. Let's get it together. Let's get a grip. Come on, let's have common sense now. Get soap, get water, okay? Be blessed.